Hello fellow rebels, and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we have a bit of business to be done in and around the town, so I'm going to take you along with me, and then you're going to see the little places that I enjoy going to as well. So enjoy the video. For the price of one. Hey man, how are you anyway? Alright?
Good yourself?
All good, man. Whew, what a day.
No, yeah.
Just to fill you in, we met up for the usual chat, and then I purchased some stickers off Dan. So here's the stickers here. I'm delighted with them. So if you see me out and about, give me a shout and I'll give you a sticker if I have any left. There's lots of people looking for them. Right, bye. See you again, alright? Hey man, see you again. This is another one of my favourite things to do when I'm off getting points, or when I'm not off going to a certain location or going to a certain place that I want to see or to show you. I regularly come out here out to Walford Airport. I know it's only used privately at the moment, but that's great as well, because you never know when you're going to see some private jets or any little jets like that. You never know what you're going to see out there. Hopefully in the future, obviously there's plans for a bigger hub and a bigger runway at the airport, so we might be seeing actually bigger planes, which I'd be delighted about. So I'm a bit of an airplane geek, nerd, whatever you want to call it, but I just love coming out here. It's just such a great place to come out. I bring my young fella a lot here as well, but I love coming out on the bike as well, just on random days when I'm not going too far, or when I have a little bit of time to go on the bike. I love spinning out to here. And as you can see, there's a private jet there on the left. It's big enough as well if anyone's into planes and stuff like that. So yeah, I just love coming out here. catch an jet or two and see if find anything that's of interest as well. I've met a lot of people out here actually, just walking their dogs and stuff like that, and they've watched the channel, or they do watch the channel now because I've been talking to them. So yeah, I just love a ramble around the airport, and I think it suits me now the way it is. I can imagine now, obviously, when it gets bigger, if it gets bigger, it'll be harder to get in around, and there might be more security and all that kind of stuff. But hopefully it will always have this personal touch where you'll be able to have a look around and check out the planes like I'm doing here. And you see some of the little planes over there, and there's the hangars on the right there, as you're turning. Yeah, just over there on my left now. And just all sorts of little planes out there, and they're always pretty great to look at and have a look. And then I'm going to keep rolling it actually, because I'm not going to cut it, because I want to show you how to get up here. So I usually go left up here. I just randomly went up here one day, and the Coast Guard helicopter was here, and it's absolutely massive. Now hopefully I'm going to get a tour of it. I know one of the lads, and he knows the guys that fly the plane here, and I think he knows the pilot, and he's going to get myself and the little fella a little tour around it. So if I get a tour around it, whether I'm out on the bike or not, I'll film it and I'll show you, which will be pretty cool. Unfortunately today it's not there, but the size of it is unbelievable. I can't believe the size of it when it's actually there. I'll show you on another video if I ever catch it, but yeah, I'll get to visit it at some stage hopefully, and I just can't wait to see inside, or to stand beside and see how big it is. So I look forward to showing you that video as well. And yeah, just spin around the airport. It's handy the way it is at the moment. Like I said, if it does expand, it might be a bit harder to get in because the whole infrastructure will change, I would say. But hopefully it'll still have that little personal touch where you can spin around on your bike and check out the flights heading off and stuff like that as well. So that's what I like to do on days that I'm not really planning on filming anything or just getting out and about. I always have the camera with me anyway, because you know, you never know what happens on the road, for insurance purposes and all that kind of stuff as well. So it's always handy to have the camera on, and yeah, you never know what you're going to come across when you're shooting your video and stuff like that as well. So just that also. But yeah, happy enough now, so just going to head back in the road. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, something different this week anyway. And until next time, Deise Rebel out.